Okay, so let's look at our swag. What's in there, Habibi? Show me. Huh? What do you got?
A new backpack.
A new backpack. Cool. I wonder what country I'll trade this backpack for.
A new hat.
I got a hat. Good, because where I'm going, it's going to be sunny. It's smoky now. Neckers. I like neckers. Remember when I put the neckerchiefs on you last year? You didn't quite like it. Maybe we'll try one on. Patches, I'll put these on my uniform. Look at that. What do you think? I'll put those patches on you. You want me to put a neckerchief on you now? Okay. We'll see how it looks, huh? Uh-oh, Luke's gonna attack us. Hey, Lukey. You gotta be careful. We don't want Luke to get in any of the plastic. Yeah, I'm gonna put a necker on. Caleb, see? Okay, let's see what it says. It says, USA. Hey, you took my necker. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, here, I'll do it.
I opened it.
You opened it, huh? Here, we're gonna tie a quick little.
What's this?
Yeah, that's a patch. I'll have to sew that on my uniform.
Hey, did is putting this on me.
That looks so nice.
Yeah.
Can you put this on?
It's not a sticker, Habibi. It won't stay on. But maybe Scoutmaster Douglas. Oh, nope. You're not eating that. Here. Yeah, we don't give little babies. Luke, we don't give little babies swag. I'm sorry, but you can't eat the plastic. But yeah, there you are. Huh? But I'll let you see the backpack. I got a lightweight travel pack. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty good, huh? I got. Okay, you can look in here, Habibi. Do you want to be the videographer, Luke?
This. Here's this.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's patches from our troop. Here, you want a backpack? You could have a backpack. He says, no, I want the iPad to do. Look, I got t-shirts. Oh, what's this? A special thingy.
And that sticker. Hey.
No, this is a buff. We'll put this. It's to keep your neck warm in the wind. See here, looky. There you go. You look good. You don't want it? You don't want to look like one of the scouts in my troop? Okay. I can relate to that. What else is in there, huh?
Here's a new water bottle.
Yeah. I'm so excited. I'll take that water bottle and I'll use it to make sun tea at the Jamboree. I'll show the British kids.
Another water bottle.
I got another water bottle. Why'd I get another water bottle? Maybe a Scoutmaster needs two quarts. Look, I got a name tag. See? It has my name on it. Look at that.
What's his name?
Patches and patches. I have lots of these patches. I'm going to give you one.
What's Juju's name?
Charlie.
Yeah. It says Charles George. Splendid.
What's this?
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff.
Lots of patches, huh? See, I'll give these to friends who I meet.
More. Look.
More. Yeah, that's a travel tag. I'll put that on my luggage. Huh?
I want a sticker.
You want a sticker? Let me see if I have. Oh, these aren't.
them on the water bottle.
Yeah.
Are those stickers?
Yeah, but they're. I want a little. Give you the little sticker here. You can have the little sticker because this is for. You'll like that. I think you'll like that shape. That's a fleur de lis. Yeah.
You can put it on with a water bottle or something, babe. We don't want to waste it.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll think of a. You can think of a nice toy that you want to put that on. Okay. So when I'm away, you'll think of me. So.
Let me take the paper off.
When you find when we find a toy like your water bottle, we can put it on that or something, okay? When we're ready to put it on.
That one.
Hey, Luke. Do you like my patches, huh? You like my patches? Daddy will do it for you.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, here, Habibi. You don't need to eat the bag, but you can eat the patches. Oh, what are you getting into? You found a patch. Yeah. That one's gonna really have a lot of trading value. I'll trade that with the Scoutmaster who from somewhere, and I'll say my grandson nibbled on it. Yep. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right. You're making that neckerchief look good, Habibi. I'll fill that. Consolidate just a little bit. Yeah, no, don't eat that. Don't eat
I
that.
don't want sticker right here. Can you put a sticker right here?
No, I gave you. We'll just have that sticker. I got to give other stickers to friends, Habibi. But here, I'll give you one of my unit patches. Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you one of those. It's not a sticker, but maybe you can sew that on a shirt or something like that. Okay? Yeah. Or on your backpack. Maybe Mama can help you.
Can you put this on my backpack?
Yeah. Because you're sick, you need some special treatment. Okay, so I'm gonna pack up all my swag and all of my patches because there's other people around the world who are gonna wanna see this stuff. So I gotta go find other Scoutmasters and other scouts who want it. Hey,
You want to keep your water bottle open?
you want me to open my water bottle? Sure. I don't think there's anything in this water bottle. See, it works just like a regular water bottle.
We have a green water bottle.
You have a green water bottle.
Yeah.
Well, I have a clear water bottle. And you see it has my troop patch on it. So that's gonna be fun.
But can you put some water in it?
Not right, in a minute, Habibi. Right now it's not too useful to make tea with the water bottle because we have the wildflower smoke. Did you see how cloudy the sky was? What do you think, Luke, huh? What do you think about you? Yeah.
You can put this on with it 20.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Okay, well, I'm going to turn off the video because we've seen enough, huh? All right?
I hope you
So you,
take this off.
okay.